Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use ghost fruit properly. First, let's cover the basics of this unique fruit. The ghost fruit is a rare natural type fruit in Blox Fruits, known for its powerful attacks and stunning abilities. It also grants a special passive skill. You can acquire it from the Blox Fruit dealer for 940,000 Bali or 1,275 Robux. Next, let's dive into its core abilities. Shivering Possession allows you to dash and stun enemies, dealing damage with ectoplasm. Spectral Release creates a damaging whirlwind, pushing opponents back. A key feature is its Resurrection passive, which grants you a second chance, reviving you with 50% of your health after being defeated. This can turn the tide in crucial moments. For strategic combat, Cries of the Underworld unleashes a cone of ghosts, pushing enemies away while dealing damage. A powerful asset is Ghost Busters, which summons two clones that mirror your attacks and fighting style, creating significant pressure. Additionally, Wandering Soul allows you to transform into a flying ghost, providing excellent mobility for evasion or pursuit. To truly maximize your potential, focus on maintaining distance from enemies, using your knockback abilities to control the battlefield. Always deploy Ghost Busters early to create distractions and open opportunities for your main attacks. For devastating combos, consider pairing Ghost Fruit with powerful weapons such as the Cursed Dual Katana or Sanguine Art. Practice these techniques to become a formidable force.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.